25 proven channel ideas. No voice, no face, no talking. Some are making over $10,000 a month right now. I'm about to show you everything from channels that film something you already own sitting in your house, to channels that literally just record screens, to ones that use footage anyone can access for free. The earnings potential ranges from a few $100s to multiple six figures annually. I'm breaking down real examples, actual monetization numbers, and which ones are easiest to start today. Stay till the end, because the last 5 ideas have almost zero competition and some of the highest profit margins. Let's start with something almost everyone overlooks. Idea number 1 is meditation and sleep sounds. Sound, just pure sound with a simple visual. Channels recording rain, ocean waves, fireplace crackling, white noise. Upload them as 8 to 12 hour videos with a static background or slow-moving visual. Relaxing White Noise has over 5 million subscribers doing exactly this. Their most popular videos are just sounds. The audience plays these for sleep and focus, which means people watch for hours. That's massive watch time. YouTube loves that. Monetization comes from ads, and because people replay these videos constantly, you get recurring views from the same content. One video can generate income for years. Next idea is lo-fi music streams. Music channels, but you're not creating the music, you're curating it. License royalty-free lo-fi tracks or partner with artists who want exposure. Pair the music with animated backgrounds, anime-style visuals, or aesthetic graphics. Lofi Girl built an entire empire on this model. They run 24/7 live streams and individual uploads. Their monetization comes from ads, Spotify promotion, and merch sales. People study and work to these streams for hours, sometimes leaving them on all day. High watch time equals high revenue. Here's one nobody talks about. Typing tutorials, just your hands and a keyboard on screen. You're teaching proper typing technique, demonstrating typing speed tests, or showing software shortcuts. No face, no voice, just hands typing with text overlays explaining what you're doing. The audience is students learning to type and professionals wanting to increase their speed. Monetize through ads and affiliate links to typing courses or ergonomic keyboards. Low competition, consistent search traffic, and the content doesn't expire. A typing tutorial you make today will still get views 5 years from now. Compilation channels focused on one specific type of content. Oddly satisfying videos, you're sourcing clips of things like kinetic sand cutting, power washing, perfect fits, manufacturing processes. Either find Creative Commons footage or reach out to creators for permission. Satisfying World gets millions of views per video doing this. These videos have high retention because they're designed to be watched passively. People zone out and watch the entire thing. Your job is organizing clips thematically and editing them with good pacing. Pure ad revenue model, but the views add up fast. Transformation content. Film a messy room, clean it, show the result, detail a dirty car, reveal the shine. Overgrown yard, manicured lawn. The format is simple. Show the before state, do the work, showcase the after. Use text overlays to explain your process. People are psychologically drawn to transformation content. The contrast is satisfying, monetized through ads and affiliate links to the products you use, cleaning supplies, tools, whatever you're using in the video. Once you build an audience, brands will sponsor you to use their products. Some detailing channels make more from sponsorships than ad revenue. Food content shot from directly overhead, just hands and ingredients, no face, no talking. Text overlays show the ingredient list and step-by-step instructions. Background music keeps it engaging. Tasty pioneered this format and built a massive media brand from it. Quick recipe videos are highly shareable. They perform well on YouTube and can be cut into shorts for additional reach. Food content attracts good advertisers, so RPMs are decent. You can also monetize through affiliate links to kitchen equipment and eventually sell your own cookbook or meal plans. If you have a pet, you have content. Set up a camera filming your cat, dog, fish tank, even farm animals if you have them. Show their daily activities. People watch pet content for relaxation and entertainment. Channels filming cats lounging or aquariums running get millions of views. Some run as 24/7 live streams. Others post daily highlight reels, monetize through ads and pet product affiliate links. Once you reach a certain size, pet food brands and toy companies will pay you to feature their products. The content literally creates itself. Gaming content without commentary, Minecraft building tutorials specifically. Screen record yourself constructing houses, farms, redstone contraptions. Show the process step by step using text instructions and background music. Minecraft has a huge active audience. Tutorial content gets consistent search traffic because players are always looking for building ideas. Monetize through ads, Patreon for exclusive build downloads, and partnerships with Minecraft servers. You don't need expensive recording equipment, just screen recording software and the game. Financial content using only charts and graphs. screen record trading platforms while you highlight patterns, draw support and resistance levels, mark technical indicators. Text overlays explain your analysis. This niche has the highest RPMs on this list. Financial content often earns $20 to $30 per thousand views because advertisers in finance pay premium rates. Monetize through ads and affiliate links to trading platforms. You need market knowledge, but you don't need to show your face or use your voice. Charts tell the story. Aerial content. Fly drones over interesting locations. Beaches, mountains, cities, landmarks. Edit the footage with cinematic music and post it. Channels showcasing drone footage of national parks or famous cities get strong views. The content is visually stunning, which means high engagement. Monetize through ads and license your footage to travel companies, real estate agents, or media outlets. The upfront cost of a decent drone is higher, but the content you can create has real value beyond just YouTube ad revenue. Time-lapse channels, sunrises, sunsets, construction projects, plant growth, art creation, set up a camera, let it record for hours, speed up the footage, add music. That's the content. Time-lapses are visually engaging and require minimal editing beyond adjusting speed and adding audio. You can film one time-lapse and then create compilation videos using multiple time-lapses for even more content. Monetize through ads. Some creators specialize in specific types like only construction time-lapses or only nature. Art channels showing the creation process. Screen record yourself drawing in Procreate, designing in Photoshop, or illustrating in any digital software. Show the full journey from blank canvas to finished piece. Background music only. Like, people enjoy watching art being created. There's something satisfying about seeing a piece develop. Monetize through ads, Patreon where you offer tutorials and process files, and by selling prints or commissions of your finished work. If your art is good, the channel becomes a portfolio that generates client work. Short animation content synced to popular audio. Animation memes are usually under a minute, perfect for shorts. You create simple character animations that follow trending audio clips or music. Animation meme communities are dedicated. Once you establish a recognizable art style, fans will watch everything you post. Monetize through YouTube Shorts revenue, Patreon for exclusive content, and taking commission work. Tools like Flip-a-Clip or Procreate Dreams make this accessible even if you're not a professional animator. Business software tutorials. Excel specifically, screen record yourself demonstrating formulas, functions, shortcuts, dashboard creation, use text overlays and highlighted cursor movements to explain each step. Business content has high RPMs because you're reaching professionals and companies. Excel skills are constantly in demand. Someone always needs to learn VLOOKUP or pivot tables or data visualization. Monetize through ads and affiliate links to Excel courses. The search traffic is consistent because these are evergreen skills. Your tutorial on index match will get views for years. Overhead food content but specialized, coffee brewing specifically, film different brewing methods, pour over, French press, espresso, cold brew. Show the entire process with text overlays displaying ratios, timing, and techniques. Coffee culture has a dedicated, passionate audience. Monetize through ads and affiliate links to coffee equipment, beans, and accessories. Once you build an audience, coffee brands will send you products to feature and review. Some coffee channels make more from affiliate commissions than ad revenue because quality equipment has good margins. Compilation channels in gaming. You're watching Twitch streams and YouTube gameplay, clipping the best moments. Funny fails, impressive plays, dramatic reactions. Edit them together with text commentary and fast pacing. This requires getting permission from streamers, but many allow it because it gives them exposure. Gaming compilations get high views if you pick trending games and post consistently. Monetize through ads. The key is understanding what moments are actually entertaining and editing them tightly, no dead time. Educational content using stock footage. Download Creative Commons nature clips or license affordable stock video. Write informative content about animals, ecosystems, or natural phenomena. Present it through text overlays and music, or use AI voiceover if you're comfortable with that. Nature documentaries perform well in the educational space. Monetize through ads. This requires good research and storytelling through your editing. You're not filming original footage, but you're creating original educational value by how you present and explain the information. Software tutorial channels. Notion, Obsidian, Todoist, Asana, any productivity tool. Screen record setup processes, template creation, Workflow demonstrations, use text annotations to explain what you're doing. Productivity tools are constantly updating with new features, which means fresh tutorial content is always needed. High RPMS because you're reaching professionals. Monetize through ads and affiliate links to the software itself. Many productivity tools have affiliate programs with recurring commissions. Workshop content. Set up a camera in your workspace and film yourself building furniture or crafts. Speed up the footage into a time-lapse. Add music and text labels for major steps. Woodworking content has strong engagement because people appreciate craftsmanship. Monetize through ads, selling your project plans as digital downloads, and affiliate links to tools. The audience is often willing to pay for detailed plans of projects they see you build. Aquarium channels. Film yourself setting up tanks, aquascaping, adding fish, maintaining equipment. Show the process with text overlays explaining equipment choices and care instructions. Aquarium hobbyists are engaged and always looking for setup ideas and maintenance tips. Monetize through ads and affiliate links to aquarium supplies. You can also run live streams of your tanks as continuous content. Some aquarium channels run multiple camera angles of different tanks as 24/7 streams. Exploration content. Visit abandoned buildings, forgotten places, or interesting urban areas. Film your exploration with a GoPro or a handheld camera. Add music and text providing historical context or interesting facts about the locations. These videos perform well because people are curious about places they can't easily access themselves. The mystery and discovery aspect keeps viewers engaged. Monetize through ads. Just make sure you're exploring legally and safely. Document the history and architecture, not just empty rooms. Animated educational content. Take popular business or self-help books and create visual summaries. Use simple animations, stock footage, or motion graphics. Display the key concepts and takeaways through text and visuals. Book summary content has strong search traffic. People want the insights without reading the full book. Monetize through ads and Amazon affiliate links to the books you summarize. Each video can continue generating views and affiliate sales for years because these books remain relevant. Collectibles content. Film your collection of coins, trading cards, stamps, or vintage items. Close-up shots with text, providing information about rarity, value, and history. Collector communities are active and engaged. They want to see rare items and learn about value. Monetize through ads and affiliate links to collection supplies, protective cases, or marketplace platforms like eBay. Once you establish credibility, you can offer appraisal services or sell items from your collection directly to your audience. Dashcam compilation channels. Collect interesting driving footage showing close calls, accidents, bad driving, or scenic routes. Edit clips together with text commentary, explaining what happened or what drivers did wrong. These get consistent views because they're entertaining and sometimes educational for defensive driving. Monetize through ads. You can source footage from dashcam owners who submit their clips, or purchase footage from dashcam compilation databases. Some channels focus on specific regions or types of incidents. Programming tutorial channels showing only screen recordings. Write code while building something functional. A website, an app, a game. Use text annotations to explain your logic and decision making. Show the final working program. Tech tutorials have high RPMS and endless demand. Programming languages, frameworks, and tools are constantly evolving, which means tutorial content stays relevant. Monetize through ads, affiliate links to coding courses and tools, and Patreon for advanced tutorials. You can teach web development, Python, game development, whatever you know. 25 ideas, no voice needed, no face required. Pick one that matches your skills or interests. Some are easier to start like pet cameras or meditation sounds. Some have higher earning potential like financial analysis or coding tutorials. The key is consistency and adding your unique angle. Don't just copy what exists. Better editing, more thorough explanations, a specific sub-niche focus. That's what separates channels that grow from channels that stall. Now, if you want to discover how I run faceless channels like this and make them into a full business, check out this video next to me, which is a full free course for doing it. I go over the new way of running faceless channels right now on YouTube. See you there.